Happy Thanksgiving 2019. Rare snow in New Mexico. I want to try to get a picture of some of the birds at the feeders, but it might scare them off when I go around the corner, so let's give it a try. Well, you can see a couple of them. I think that might be a junco on the 3-tube feeder there. The dark head, I'd have to look it up. They only come in the winter here. Hang on, I'm going to try to sit down. It started snowing here in New Mexico last night, about 7 o'clock, and it has now snowed lightly but steadily all night. Normally we only get snow here in Albuquerque maybe once in a while, October or November, light snow one time, 1 year. It melts the next morning when the sun comes up. We don't get snow deep like this, just a little tiny scattering of snow. But it is very unusual to get a heavy snow, even more unusual to get it at the end of the year instead of the beginning of the year. Once in a while we'll even have a freak snow like in April or something, but again, it all melts off in the morning. We have 3 storms in a row coming through, and it's bringing a lot of moisture up from Mexico winds and then off California, and we had a really strong cold front come through first to lower the temperature. So we're having some unusual snow, and it's beautiful. And under no circumstances should anybody be on the road today. People go crazy here in New Mexico when it rains. It wrecks all over the place. One of my friends says it's chaos when it rains in New Mexico. The world is coming to an end because of the rain. So you just imagine what people would be like with snow. And no one is used to driving in the snow here in the high desert of New Mexico. Well, we've got at least 5 birds now. They're having a hard time getting to the seed with all that snow. Let me zoom a little bit. Mostly I get a lot of finches back here, a lot of house sparrows, because we have a cedar tree in the front and a cedar tree in the back. We tend to get a lot of doves, ringneck doves, which are actually Eurasian collared doves is actually what they're called. White-winged doves, mourning doves. Sometimes we'll get as many as 30 at our feeders. Seriously, 30 doves. Once in a while we'll get a predator out here, right over there by the bird baths, right outside this window. I've had Cooper's hawk before. I hope you've enjoyed watching the birds. Got about 10 or so right now. I hope your Thanksgiving is wonderful. And I hope you choose to walk with God today and follow the Lord Christ Jesus. Happy Thanksgiving.